materials needed to be able to start a production. Palm kernel production. So these are the chemicals and equipment we will be using for this particular production. This is our palm kernel oil, also called the PKO, the palm kernel oil. And this is our sodium silicate. Sodium silicate. This is our perfume, the perfume we're using to add fragrance to the soap. And this is sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate. Now this is kaolin. Here we will not be using borax. In place of borax, we'll be using kaolin. This is our soda ash. Soda ash. This is caustic soda, the sodium hydroxide crystals, caustic soda. Now these are our measuring cups, the cups we're going to be using to measure the oil and the soda ash, and also the caustic soda solutions, and also spoons that we're going to use to measure some of the salt. Now these are the bowl we're going to use to prepare our various reagents, the soda ash solution and the caustic soda solution. Now this is our improvised mold. This is what we're going to use to get the shape of the soap we want to produce, and this is our mixing bowl and a wooden stirrer. It's always advisable for you to use a wooden stirrer. Now we have some beaker set that we're going to use to measure volume of water, and also the flask. This is our color. And this is our measuring scale. Now we are measuring 55 grams of the soda ash. 55 grams of the soda ash. Now we're measuring 600 ml of water. Now we're going to add the 165 grams of caustic soda into 600 ml of water. We are dissolving 165 grams of the caustic soda in 600 ml of water. At this point, you can use your nose mask because the caustic soda has a choking odor. We are adjusting the specific gravity of this caustic soda to 1.275. 1.275. This is very important. The specific gravity of this soda solution is 1.275, and this is the ideal specific gravity for bar soap. Okay, make sure you adjust yours to 1.275. Now we're going to measure 250 ml of water and dissolve the soda ash. We're going to measure 250 ml of water and dissolve the soda ash in it. We're now dissolving the soda ash. Soda ash is a bit mild. Stir it properly until all the particles are dissolved. Soda ash might take time for the particles to dissolve, but make sure they are properly dissolved before you start using. Now, just like the caustic soda solution, we are also keeping the specific gravity of soda ash solution at 1.275. 1.275, just the way we kept the caustic soda solution. The specific gravity is at 1.275. Alright, our reagents are ready. Now we're going to measure a small quantity of the PKO, that's the palm kernel oil, and dissolve our color. Just take a small quantity out of it to first dissolve the color. If you take a whole lot of PKO, it will not dissolve the color, it will rather form lumps. But what you do is you take a small quantity out of the one you measured, first dissolve the color, and then stir it properly to make sure that all the particles of the color dissolve before you can add more volume of oil. You can take the color, take the quantity you want that you feel it's okay for you. Stir it properly and ensure that all the particles of the color are dissolved before you can add more volume of oil to it. Obviously, with this color, the palm kernel oil almost looks like palm oil and has the same aroma as palm oil. Alright, our color is fully dissolved now, so we are going to measure 6 cups of palm kernel oil. Right now we've measured 1 with which we dissolved the color. We're going to add 5 more of the palm kernel oil in this measurement we're using here. This is the second one. Now mix your color properly. Alright, now that we've had 6 cups of palm kernel oil, we're going to measure 3 cups of soda solution. 3 cups. The ratio of palm kernel oil to soda solution is 2 to 1. 2 to 1, that is 2 parts of palm kernel oil will take 1 part of soda solution. This is very important, please take note of this. So we are measuring 3 cups of soda solution. We are measuring 3 cups of soda solution. Alright, now we're going to start the mixing. We are pouring the soda solution to the palm kernel oil. We are pouring the soda solution to the palm kernel oil. As you are pouring it, please, the reaction is taking place now. The soap is being formed gradually. Keep stirring. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Keep stirring it. Gradually it will be solidifying. Any moment from now we'll add additives to it. Now we're going to add sodium sulfate to it. So also a tablespoonful is enough. Now we're adding sodium silicate to it. And now we're adding perfume to it. Now, this is another important part. Since we are now we're adding perfume to it. As you can see, the soap is gradually solidifying while in the bowl. Now we're going to pour it into the mold. This is our improvised mold. In about 1 or 2 hours, the soap will solidify. So that is what it takes for you to produce your bar soap. The same principle is applied to toilet soap or medicated soap. Now this is your final soap, and this is how it looks like. In about 1 or 2 hours, it's going to solidify. This is how it looks like after it has solidified, and we have cut it into whatever shape we want. You can see this is your bar soap and it's ready for use. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.